Okay, I already mixed the sauce that goes in this. Now I'll leave a link below. To this recipe. Got it all stirred up real good. Real good. Let's just put an onion down in the bottom of the crock pot. My last onion of the 3 onions. I'm just gonna chop it pretty big. That didn't come off, did it? That root. Alright. That, I already got this crock pot hot. Hot! That already smells good. Because I've got the crock pot hot. Pour it over it. Down in between the skin and that smells so good, that spicy smell. Not hot spicy. That 5-spice spicy. Spicy. Alright. Now I need to go wash my hands. Here's the kitchen island that I bought. It's so heavy. Heavy. So I am gonna open it up and I'm gonna carry the pieces in one by one because it's heavy. And I'm gonna get started on it today. I probably won't finish it today, but at least we can get started with it. Alright, here is the box of all the screws and everything. Yeah, it's like, oh, that's a big box. Pretty big. Let's get it open and get started. Wow. That is a lot of hardware. God. Why can't they come assembled? Yeah, probably 2-day job. Alright, I have all the hardware laid out. They have the bags lettered A, B, C, D. They've skipped some, but it goes all the way to S, G, and the G screws, I think. M and N is in this one. M and N's. Yeah. Alright. I've got a bucket for screws and stuff, but I'm gonna try to keep them in the bags and this tray. Keep them in this tray if I'm working with them, so I don't lose anything. Page 1. Okay, I got that part of it done. It's not a whole lot because look how many pieces I still have left. Yeah. I put this together. And now I'm going to do something with these two. 11 and 12. That right there. I think I've cook the chicken to death. It looks good. Ooh. Chicken, yellow rice, salad. There's my sprouts. Put some sprouts on there. A couple of onions. Oil and vinegar. That looks good. Cute.
It is.
Never had that yellow rice. It's good.